Now we will look at the circle option. In here we have four controls: radius start and end, and angle start and end. Imagine you're drawing a circle on a piece of paper. The radius start is how far from the centre you are when you start drawing your circle, and the radius end is how far from the centre when you finish drawing the circle. If they are the same, you will draw a perfect circle. If the radius start and end are different, then you will draw a spiral. The angle start and end defines how far around the circle you're going to draw. For example, if you set it to start 0 and end 180, you would go halfway around the circle. I'm going to put the fixtures into a circle. So I'm going to set the radius start to 3 meters and the radius end to 3 meters as well. Then I'm going to leave the angle start and end at 0 through 360 to do one complete circle. Next, the plane defines whether the circle is flat on the floor, or if it's on the side wall, or if it's on the back wall. XY will put it flat on the floor. I want it to appear on the back wall, so I'm going to change this to XZ to go across and up. Again, we have a relative control, which I'm going to leave to no, and I'm pressing apply and close. This has put my fixtures in a circle. If I move the camera, you can see here from the front they're in a circle flat on to the back wall.